Little chefs, I wanted to give you an update on the glitter. I'm sorry to inform you, but it is still drying. So here is the consistency we're at now. So it still needs some time. So in the meantime, I'm gonna make you a different kind of edible glitter. With this method, we are just using some sugar and food dye. I looked up the recipe, it said food dye. I have the gel kind, and hopefully it works. Before we make the glitter, I need to preheat the oven to 350, I think. I'm gonna go with blue for one of my colors and some red. All right, so I don't know if the gel is gonna work for us. Oh, actually, yeah, I think we'll make do. You got like a nice pink, I'm loving it. And check out this nice blue, gorgeous. So then you're supposed to put it on a baking sheet, which is kind of concerning to me because I'm thinking this is just gonna melt in the oven. All right, so into a 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. I knew it, called it. Look at that, it melted. Maybe it's supposed to do that. I was in there for 10 minutes. I followed instructions. To be honest, I really didn't read into this much. I know it's supposed to cool, so maybe something magical will happen in an hour. Can y'all hear that? It is snap, crackling, and popping. All right, I think it's cool. Look at that glitter. That's gonna be a pain to clean. I may have made fun of it too soon. It turned out pretty good. I mean, there's not much of a sparkle, but we got a little bit of action. I have more hope for these guys, so stay tuned.